Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Woman Has Full Meltdown After Being Busted Over a Hot Dog.
Hey, can you just put your hands behind your back, please?
No,
just,
really?
Yep. Christine, we're not
Oh, my wrist! My wrist!
Are you okay?
On April 15th, 2023, deputies in Fond du Lac County, Wisconsin, responded to a disturbance at a private property after homeowners reported an unknown woman named Jessica inside a detached studio on their land. What initially appeared to be a trespassing complaint quickly escalated as the suspect refused to cooperate and displayed erratic behavior.
Ma'am, how are you doing? Hey, Sergeant Wilson Sheriff's Office. How are you doing?
Hi, I mean no harm.
All right, what's going on today?
I was just needing a safe place.
Okay, you were looking for a safe place? Okay.
I just told them the whole story.
Okay, where are you coming from?
I don't know.
You don't know where you're coming from?
I'm Fond du Lac, but
Okay, were you walking from Fond du Lac?
I mean I don't know where I'm coming from because I don't know why I had to force myself to leave. I knew one day I was gonna have to pack one bag and leave.
Okay, do you have any ID or anything on you?
No.
Okay, what's your first name?
Christine,
Christine? Okay, was that with the K, with the C?
C.
C? All right, I didn't know if it was like K-R-I or I'm guessing. Okay. All right. Just hang tight here for me for a second.
This is Dawn with my daughter. I mean nobody in harm.
Okay. What's all in your bag? Do you have a driver's license at all? Where's you coming from? You're on foot?
I mean no harm. I'm just gonna get going.
Okay.
No, just hang tight here for a minute, okay? What's your last name, Christine?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
But
Hold on here. Did you say she was in your house? Was she in your house?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you guys don't know who she is? You guys don't know who she is? All right.
Okay. So you don't just walk into someone else's house?
Hey, can you just put your hands behind your back, please? No, just... Yep.
Why?
Nope, stop. Stop pulling away.
Do not resist.
Hey, stop, Christine, stop.
Anything
Okay,
wrong?
you're being detained right now. Okay? So we can figure out what's going on and what's going on with you, all right?
All right, what happened?
I came out here to look at our coal tunnel, and I noticed the door was open and everything.
We have Christine detained.
I thought she was. I walked into the. I thought he had left.
They copied.
I thought he had left the door open, you know.
Okay.
And I walked in there, and she was standing in there, and I'm like, "Who are you?"
So where inside was she?
She was right inside the door.
Okay.
She's been upstairs, and I think this is her coat.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so it would have to be her hat, too? Or no, that's all part of the coat.
Yeah. She was just standing here, and she said, "I was just going to make myself a hot dog." I said, "You're going to make yourself a hot what?" She says, "Can I have a hot dog?" I said, "I think."
Now hold on, man. You know I don't stop the videos to comment because this is gonna be an actual video that that goes out on the channel, but I gotta stop the video because of the love that you just shown. Appreciate the $5 donation. I appreciate it. Take care of your fine self. I see. I appreciate that. Thank you. Man. All right, we gotta get back to it. All right.
maybe you need to leave. This isn't your place.
Okay, so she was standing just right here?
Right here.
Was she upstairs though?
Yeah.
She's moved stuff around.
Really? Okay.
She hasn't harmed anything that I can see, but he has some really.
I haven't looked.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm
And
still-
you
Sculptor. I have sculptures and things
Up there,
upstairs that
yeah.
are very fragile. I
Sure.
haven't been up there to
And
see.
you guys don't recognize her whatsoever?
No.
Nope.
I've never seen her before.
Okay.
She says she thought it looks like her dad. I don't know. She's pretty incoherent.
And she
Yeah.
said to me some other last name. After she said Christine, she gave me a last name, and she said she has a house on Hickory.
Ma'am.
It's black. You can just give it to me.
Yeah, this is your jacket? Okay.
Oh, she
In
bald.
her pocket too.
Yeah, pipe here.
Did you take any other property of theirs?
So it doesn't look like she took anything. She moved some stuff around. She opened up a couple. She's drinking a beer. But so it's like a separate studio. Obviously, they don't live here. They had everything locked, or not locked, but closed.
Okay.
He left about 6 o'clock last night, had everything closed. So honestly, she came at some point and opened it up. And when the missus came over here, she was standing at the bottom, and she had been upstairs and everything, because I guess there's stuff that's moved around upstairs, up top.
Did you sleep here last night? Or she said she was thrown out of a car, but she was just making these statements and not collaborating anything. So
Okay.
trying to ask questions where this happened, when this happened, who, but she won't tell me what.
Okay.
There is paraphernalia on
Did
her.
she give you an actual name or anything yet?
No.
Anything more than Christine?
No.
Okay. Christine, do you have any ID or anything on you?
I could check her bag and actually go through her bag.
Yeah.
I don't have any identification. I have bug spray, hand sanitizer. I didn't have any food or water. Oh,
So, I mean, at a
please take
minimum,
off the handcuffs. I don't mean anybody harm.
at a minimum, we have criminal trespass.
I was just going to get going on my way.
Trespassing.
I was
Right.
hungry.
Okay. So,
What's her
Christine,
full name, Christine?
Christine, unfortunately, you can't just enter places,
It
enter
was the
buildings
art
that.
studio.
Sure, but you can't just enter places that
There's
don't belong
art
to you.
classes going on there. I was waiting for them to come. Oh my gosh.
So, how did you get here?
How do you think?
I honestly don't know, Christine.
What does it look like?
I think she's 961.
Yeah.
Just to
I'm
take her
hurt.
to take
Just
her bag
get
off.
these handcuffs
Can you help me
off
with the
me,
handcuffs
please,
to get her bag?
Yeah.
I have no violation to anybody or
Alright,
harm.
you're gonna come with us, alright? I need you to walk, please.
Christine, can you walk with us, please? Here, let's just.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
We're not
Put me down!
Christine, we're not hurting you.
Ow, my wrist! My wrist!
Christine, stop. Christine,
Ow!
stop, please.
Ah! Let me go!
Christine, right now.
Oh boy. Stop the crying. We don't want to hear it. My ears. Save my ears, please, man. Please. Listen, she lucky she came up on the right property, all right? Because if she would have went to the wrong property, she would have probably ended up in that pond there, okay? You go to certain people's property, man, and you not from there. Hey, look. You don't live here, you don't what? Man, hasta luego, you hear me? Get you up out of here. Check you out. Checked out. She lucky these people are nice and they not on, they seem like decent people. But if she would have went to the wrong property, man, all I see is nothing but land out there, man. Whole bunch of places they could do anything with you, man. You gotta be careful. You can't just be rolling up on people's crib like that. No, man.
Anything wrong? I was hungry!
Okay, right now you're under arrest, okay?
And I was going to the art class!
Well, look, since you hungry, you could go down to the county. Go down to the county. They got bologna sandwiches with cheese. Bologna sandwiches with cheese. Okay, it might be a little green, all right? The bologna might be a couple of days old. But don't worry about that. At least you still, you know what I'm saying? You still gonna be fed. You gonna be good. You gonna be good. Don't worry about it. You hungry, they gonna feed you. The food might be a little old, but the bread might be a little hard, but don't worry about none of that.
Okay.
On Saturdays!
Can you please just walk?
Oh, I can't! I just pissed!
Can you please walk this way for us?
Please walk. Our car's
Christine,
right
please.
over there. You can see him from here.
Can we please walk?
No!
Please?
I can't!
Yes, you
Oh,
can.
my wrists are getting broken!
They're not getting broken.
Your wrists are not breaking. Let me take a look at them here quick, okay? I'll take a look at them. Just stop. Stop pulling on. Christine, stop, please.
Stand up. Stop pulling on him.
You're doing okay, okay? Let's get the purse out from here. Christine. You're okay. You're okay, Christine.
Need you to not move,
Just
all right?
keep your hands where they are, please, okay? You're doing okay, Christine.
Stop pulling on him. It's making that
Christine,
worse.
stop. Stop. She's gonna try pulling that. Christine, you're okay. You're okay, Christine.
There's one there. She just doesn't. Don't pull on him. Pulling on them is going to make him
That
hurt.
one's properly fitted.
Okay, we're going to need you to stand up.
Just gonna leave that stuff here. All right, can you stand up for us, please?
I can't walk.
All right, we're just gonna walk this way,
We're
please.
gonna
You
walk.
can walk. You can walk. Christine, can you please walk for us?
Please walk. You can walk. You were walking just fine and you wanted to leave before.
Can you please stand up for us?
This is just going to get you into more trouble than what you need. Okay, we need you to stand up and walk, please. Can you do that for us? Can you cooperate with us a little bit and stand up and walk? You were doing it just fine before.
Can you please stand up? Can we help you up and can you walk on your own feet? Because you were walking totally fine before we put you in handcuffs. Are you okay? Christine, what's wrong?
All that fake throwing up, man. Stop being dramatic. You want to get something to eat. They taking you to go get something to eat.
Bring my car up here.
What's going on, Christine? Okay,
Because
Christine.
I was thirsty.
See this car that's pulling up here? So if you look to your right.
Go with you.
Yep. So I need. Yep. But I need you. I need you to get into this car for me, okay?
Where is home?
I always thought you're a sexy police officer.
Okay, can you stand up for me, though, please?
You wipe my nose.
Heck, police officer.
You go.
Yep, I'm the first one that got here. I am.
This might be a...
Mary,
Can you
she
please stand
trying.
up for me, though?
She trying to get with Sarge.
Christine. Can you please stand up for me?
Christine, anything in your pockets that's going to hurt me that I'm going to pull out? I don't want to lose or miss any of your property, okay? So if you could just be honest with me, if you got any needles on you, knives on you? What's the string for? For your what?
From my daughter, Morgan.
Okay, you have a daughter? How old's your daughter? Did you take that from the art studio?
No.
No? Okay,
I showed it to him. That's why I stayed. I wanted him to see it. I would have died. I would have died.
Okay, no, you're not gonna die. You're not gonna die. But we're gonna stand you up, okay? Christine, can you stand up? Thank you. No, can you stand up for us? Christine.
Come on, stand up. We're going to go have a seat in the car. Come on.
Boy, they got him.
Please.
These are some good officers, man. They got a lot of patience. A lot more patience than I got.
This is a car. Christine.
You're not dying.
After being placed in the squad car, Jessica continued to behave erratically, while deputies recovered drug paraphernalia and a substance that later tested positive for THC. She was transported to the Fond du Lac County Jail, where she was booked into custody. She was initially charged with multiple misdemeanor offenses, including criminal trespass to a dwelling, resisting or obstructing an officer, misdemeanor bail jumping, disorderly conduct, and drug-related violations. Most counts were later dismissed, and she ultimately entered a no-contest plea to attempted possession of THC, resulting in a conviction, $443 in court costs, and additional court-ordered conditions. Please show your support by liking this video to see more.
You could kiss that $400 goodbye. She ain't never gonna pay that. So you might as well just forget about that. Just why you even sentence her to some fines? She ain't gonna pay that, man. This is a waste of time. A whole bunch of misdemeanors, waste of time. This is waste of the court's time, waste of everybody's time, man. But anyway, the officers, I think they did a fantastic job. Like I said, I think they got amazing communication skills. They got good communication skills. And they got patience. Because yeah, that whining and all of that, man. If I was the sergeant, man, we would have go get your car like they did. Woo, woo, woo. Once he pulled up, hey, look, we gonna hook her under the arms, lift her up, throw her in there, man. We ain't even all of that coddling on the ground and all of that, man. I'm tired. Nah, man. The closer we get to the car, the more whining you doing because you don't want to go to jail. That's what's really going on here. But anyway, like I said, the officers, they did a good job. They get a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in